Katurismo. I am Lawrence Joy de Villen from TM5A. Now, we are here at the Rizal Park. And do you know that Rizal Park is commonly known as Luneta Park? It is one of the most historical and iconic landmark in the Philippines. It is located in the heart of Manila. It's named after Dr. Jose Rizal, the country's national hero, who was executed here on December 30, 1896. This event became a turning point in the Philippine history, sparking the revolution against the Spanish rule. This park, which spans approximately 58 hectares, is not only a place for relaxation but for leisure, but also a powerful symbol of the Philippine freedom and identity. It was established during the Spanish colonial period, and Rizal Park is one of the oldest urban parks in Asia. Or, it was named after Dr. Jose Rizal. It was known as Bagong Bayan, and later, it's become Luneta, which means a crescent, referring to its original shape. Today, it remains a popular destination for both local and tourists, offering a lush garden and historical monuments and cultural attractions. The heart of the park stands the Rizal Monument, which contain a time capsule with Dr. Rizal's remains and historical documents. Nearby, in the Independent Flagpole, one of the tallest in the country. In the evening, the park comes alive with its musical dancing fountains, a favorite attractions among visitors over the years. Rizal Park has also served as a venue for significant national events and celebrations. Its historical and cultural importance combined with its scenic beauty and make it cherished landmarks and must visit for anyone exploring the Philippines.